Good everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've got this Lenovo laptop here to fix. Lenovo L460. It was booked in by as a result of no display. It's coming from a technician who tried to fix it before. Said the laptop has no display. The battery is not there. The screen cover is open. Okay. He said he tried to fix it, but there is no display on the laptop. Okay. So let's check together. Charger connected. Charger connected, powered on. See, I can hear a beep sound. See, powered off. The laptop is beeping, has a beep sound. Okay, powered on again. There's a beep sound, like 3 times, then 1 time. Pem, 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 pem. There's a beep sound. So let's check. Firstly, what we need to do, let's check from the RAM first. I guess he have done all that, but I will start from there first to know what exactly is the problem of this laptop. We're going to start from the RAM. Okay. Is the back cover, the laptop is open. Okay, now firstly, the RAM that is here, let me see if I can zoom out. Let's see if I can zoom in. You see the RAM we have in here, né? The RAM we have in here, it's not the right RAM. It's not the right RAM, you see? PC3. It's supposed to be PC3L, which is the low voltage RAM. Okay, so let's start from there first. Let's take this one out. This one is not the right one. Let's take it out. Let's look for the right one. Okay, let's try this one. This one is PCL. You see the difference? You see the difference? I don't know if you can see the difference. PC3L, which is the low voltage. The L is there, which is the low voltage. Okay, let's zoom back now and test together. Okay. Okay, charger connected again. Charger connected. Powered on. Okay. It's taking 0.36 milliamp. See, 35 milliamp. That sound, see now the sound that was there before is no longer there. That shows that it has detected the RAM. The RAM is detected now. Before it was not detecting the RAM because this RAM wasn't a low voltage RAM. This kind of laptop requires a low voltage RAM. See, it requires a low voltage RAM for this laptop to function. Without a low voltage RAM, this laptop will not function properly. It won't even switch on. You see. So now what we need to do, we're putting in a low voltage RAM, switch on, still yet we don't have a display. Still yet we don't have a display. What will be our next step now? Okay, we're going to program the EEPROM chip, the BIOS chip. We're going to program that now. Okay, let's do that. You see we've got 35 milliamp on the power supply, which is not good. We can get a display with that. Okay, here's the port. The port. Okay, and here is the chip. Let's take out the heat sink. Let's take out the heat sink. You see, the Lenovo Thinkpad L460 has this common problem. It's a common fault on this laptop. When you don't have a display on this laptop, And when you get those sound, normally you don't have display. Sometimes there won't be a display. No, there won't be sound. Sometimes you won't get any sound. Like on this one, there's no sound. But other days, maybe other laptops, you can get sound on it. You see. So what we need to do now, we need to program this EEPROM chip. This EEPROM chip. We need to program it. We need to reprogram that chip. Then hopefully we'll take it from there. Okay. By the way, thanks to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. And if you are watching this video now, you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay. Okay. Let's take that chip out. Okay. There you go. The chip. The chip is out. Let's grab our programmer. And you see in this video, the file we're going to program on this BIOS chip, it's not just a normal file. I'll put a video link on this. I'll put a link on the description of this video where you can find how to do the ME region of this file. Because what we need to do, we need to do a clean ME region of this file. The clean BIOS, clean ME region of this file. So I won't be doing that process now, but I've got a video already where I have done that, you see. So what I'm going to do now, I need to grab my programmer. Here's the programmer. So if you decide to download the file or just a random file from the internet and program it on this chip, it's not going to work. All you need to do, you need to get to program the ME region of this BIOS. And if you don't know how to do it, I've got a video on the description that will guide you on how to do this. We guide you on how to do this, okay? Okay, there's a programmer. Okay. These are common programmer and they're quite cheap. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly open the file now. Okay, it's not detecting my chip. That means the IC is not sitting properly. Let's do that again. That means the IC is not sitting properly. Try to set it properly on the programmer. Okay, let's try again. Let's zoom back. So I'll say, let's try again. Here's the programmer here. Okay, programmer is there. Let's try again. Detect. Okay, there we go. We have it here. It's 3.3 volts. IC. Okay, let's read the file. I'm reading the file. You see this file which I'm reading now, I can also read this file then do the clear me region of this BIOS. But I've got one which I've already done already. You see, I've got one which I've already done already. But if ever you haven't got any, you can do this. Read the file from the old from the BIOS. Then from there, the video on the description below, you can use that video to create or do your clear me region on the file which you've got. Okay, let's see. It's reading this file now so that I will have a backup of this. Okay, just in case I will have a backup of this. It's reading. Now I've had a lot of cases, similar cases like this on this laptop, Lenovo L460. Lenovo L460. When it comes to its display, okay, we've seen it's success. That means we've successfully copied it. Now you save the file. Let's say Lenovo L460 backup file. Okay, Lenovo L460 backup file. Let's put that on desktop. Save. Okay, so now what we need to do now, we're going to clean, erase this new chip. Let's copy the new file which we're going to program now. Like I said to you, I've already done the clear me region. The video which I did that is on the description below. You can check it from there. Okay, the backup file. I'm looking for my backup file. Where did I save it? Where did I save it? I think it's this one. I think it's this one. I think it's this one. I've done it long ago because I had issues with this laptop. Okay, long ago. Okay, program is going to erase the previous program, then write the new software. But this process will take a couple of few minutes or so. Then we can proceed putting back the the chip back to the board, and we'll see if we have a display. Okay, so now it's writing the files now. I think so, yeah, it's writing the file. In the meantime, while it's still busy, I just want to quickly clean the track of this of the BIOS chip to add some lead to the track. Also add some lead to the track. Okay, also add some lead to the track. Let's check how far is our programming. Okay, still loading, still moving. Okay, it's verifying now, verifying the chip. It's verifying the chip. So have it in mind, if you come across a laptop like this, firstly check if the RAM is a low voltage RAM. One, if it's not a low voltage RAM, it's not going to display. Two, if you put a low voltage RAM, still yet you don't have a display, you've got sound on it. You've got a sound on it. Know that the BIOS is corrupt. But in this case, there was no sound on this laptop. There was no sound. But now I'm programming the BIOS, which I know it's corrupt. The memory is there. That sound that was there before. Why is the wrong memory? See, the wrong memory that was in there that wrong memory, it was giving sound. Now I put in a good memory, the low voltage memory, the sound is gone. So now after this programmer, they will know if the BIOS was corrupt, which I know it's corrupt. You see, it's more common on this laptop. It's a very common something when it comes to this laptop. It's very common. Okay, this process is a bit slow. This verifying process, but we are getting there. We are getting there. And the video on the description below can also teach you how to do a clear me region. If you need a clear me region on a BIOS chip, if you need a clear me region, that video can also teach you 8 MB, 60 MB clear me region. They are all there. If you can, if you study it well, you'll be able to do clear me region easily without no stress. Okay, without no stress. Okay, let's just wait for this thing to finish. See, it's a bit faster now. It's a bit faster. We are getting there. This program, the program which I'm using is a very common programmer in the market. It's very common and it's cheapest as far as concerned. Okay, there you go. We've successfully programmed this chip. Okay, so let's put back the chip now. There's the chip. Let's put it back to the board. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think our chip is soldered properly now. And let's connect. Okay, let's connect back the heatsink. Okay, fan connected. Okay. Power supply. It's a bit hot. I just want it to cool down a little bit. Okay, let's test. Here's the charger connected. Okay, powered on. Laptop powered on. Then I go off, check on the multimeter. Then on the power supply, we go 44, 39, 38, 30, 25. Okay, it's restarting now. It's trying to recognize the new software. 42, 38. We're supposed to have a display now. We're supposed to have a display. We're supposed to have a display now. Okay, let's power it off. Okay, powered off. Yeah, powered on again. Thirty-seven. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to clear the. I'm going to clear CMOS. The CMOS battery. Just jump the pin. The battery pin. Jump. Okay. Battery connected. I'm taking out the hard drive. Okay, hard drive is out. Okay, let's test again. Charger connected. Powered on. Powered on. If we don't have a display now, what I will do, I will put in another low voltage RAM. And then before I do that, then I'll have to change the, before I put in another RAM, I'll have to change the RAM slot. Okay. Not supposed to take the whole time. Okay. Off. Let's change the RAM position. Okay. Powered on again. Okay, I'm going to look for another RAM just in case if this RAM is not good. Okay, still yet we don't have picture. Yet we don't have picture. Okay. We need a memory, a low voltage RAM that is trusted, knowing that it's working. You see. Okay, let's try this one. Here's another RAM. Let's try this. Okay, laptop powered off. RAM disconnected. Then let's put it here. Okay, so charger connected, powered on. Let's see. Okay, nothing is happening. Okay, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to clear the CMOS. Hence I've changed the RAM. I'm going to clear the CMOS quickly. You jump the two pins together. The two CMOS pin. The two CMOS battery pin. You jump them together just for a few minutes. For a few minutes is fine. Okay, connect back. Okay, let's test now. Power on. Power on. And the one thing which I'm not sure is if this cream is good. I'm not sure of that. I'm not sure because it came in like this. I'm not sure if the cream is good. How can we be able to find out? Let's see if I can connect the keyboard. See if I've got the light on the keyboard. Because on this screen, I'm not sure if it's good. I'm not sure if it's good. Okay. Nothing on the keyboard. Okay, let's change the RAM slot to the other side. Okay. Charger connected again. Powered on. You see this RAM I'm using now, I'm very sure this RAM is working because I took it out from a working machine. Okay, took it out from a working machine. If ever this laptop didn't come on now, that means it has something to do with the board. You see, if it doesn't come right now, it has something to do with the board. Okay, powered off again, then powered on. That means it has something to do with the board. Okay, there's no display. Going to take out the board. We're going to take out the board so that we look what is going on the other side of the board. and check together. Let's see what is going on the other side of the board. Let's see quickly what is going on the other side. Okay. But before then, we need to take out the the keyboard. We need to take out the keyboard. No, I don't think so. But when we are putting back the board, we need to connect the keyboard. That's when we need to take out the screws of the keyboard. Remember there are screws underneath the keyboard. Okay. 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 Here we have the board, and the board looks clean. Clean. Let's check what is underneath here. Let's check what is going on underneath. Yeah. There are some things underneath here. Okay. Okay. Let's test now again while the board is out. I think I need the connector right here. I just need something to be underneath. Let's try this. Put this thing here. There's no reason why this laptop work. It has no valid reason. It has to work. It has no valid reason. It must work. It must work. Okay. Charger connected and powered on. Okay. Fan is spinning. Wanna see a display here. Okay, something is missing on this board. Can I get this schematic of this board? Like something is missing on this board. Remember, like I said, it's coming from a technician. And let's quickly check for look for some voltage. Negative plug to ground. Nothing there. Nothing. That value is 1. So 3 here. Okay, 3.3, 5 volts. 5 volts is present. So this value is very low. That value is very low. The 1.1 is there. Over here. Over here is very low. Why are we not getting display? I think it's time for schematic. Okay, you know, sometimes this thing is funny. Sometimes it's very funny. Sometimes it's funny. I'm feeling some warm sensation somewhere here. I'm feeling some warm sensation on the board. So I'm trying to trace which IC is doing that or which component. because the value we are getting here is very poor. That value is very poor. Okay, the value we are getting there is very poor. I change the slot again. The value is very poor. Okay, let's just make sure the this full layer is not touching the IC there. Remember, if it touches those IC, it's going to be short. Okay, powered on again. Powered on. At this point in time now, we are supposed to have display right now. I don't know why this laptop is misbehaving. We are supposed to have a display as we speak now. Hmm? We're supposed to have a display as you speak. Yeah, we've got a display. I told you this screen is bad. Did you see that? Hey, you won't believe this. We've got a display. This screen is bad. The screen is bad. The screen is bad. I connect the keyboard to it now. See, the caps lock is lighting. This screen is a bad screen. It's a bad screen. Okay? The screen is a bad screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's do this. Let's do this. Remember, I said to you, this laptop is coming from a technician. Probably must have taken out the screen, putting in another screen in there, which I don't know. So let's check quickly together. I told you, because there's no way that this laptop will not work if you program the the BIOS. Yeah, let's hope if I can get another screen to quickly do this testing. I'm worried now. I don't think if I had a screen here, but we will see. We will see if we have a screen. Yeah. Or maybe the screen was not connected. Did you see that? It looks like it wasn't connected properly. Okay, let's connect it and test. It looks like it wasn't connected properly. Okay, the screen is connected now. Let's try again. Let it be as if it wasn't connected properly, because the screen looks okay. Okay, powered on. Laptop is powered on now. Let's hope we've got a display on the screen. If the screen is good. Okay, we should have a display now. There you go. See, the screen was not connected properly. So the laptop is working. That's it. I think I will stop this video now. I don't see any point putting this laptop together while the video is still going on. See, it's working, and our problem is solved. And I will leave the video on the description below how to do the clear me region of this laptop. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, I didn't expect this video to be so long, but nevertheless our problem is fixed and the laptop is working. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.